How to download Assetto Corsa on PC or laptop. So if you want to download Assetto Corsa on PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, you just need to simply open up your browser at first. Now on your browser, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for Steam. After searching, you can go with steam.steampower.com, and here as you can see that you will have an option of install Steam on the top right. You need to click on install and you need to install your Steam application. Once you install, you need to just open up your Steam app. After opening your Steam app, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for that game, which is Assetto Corsa. After that, here you will have your game. So you just need to simply click on this game. And if you want to download this game, then if it's a free version, then you will have play option. You'll have play game. You'll be able to play the game. But if it's not, then you can go with add to cart, which is on the right side. So from here, you'll be able to download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.